going on, everybody? I'm Coach Anthony of More Than Human Fitness. This is my Nako MMA, my student, Micah, who has a smoker on November 2nd. So y'all are going to see clips of that, so stay tuned. He's going to fuck somebody up. Today we're going to go over 7 basic combos that I believe every Nako MMA fighter, striker in the kickboxing art should know. Stay tuned at the end because I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to give them something. I don't know. The first combination we're gonna go is going to be jab, and then it's going to be a rear kick to the body. When you throw that jab, notice how he steps in. What this is going to do is this is going to force his opponent to either take the brunt of it and bear it, or to take a step back, giving him that space for the kick. The next one is going to be jab cross, switch kick. And notice what Micah does. As he jabs and crosses, he steps slightly to the outside of my rear hand. It takes his head off the center line should I want to retaliate right away. Because what happens a lot of time when people get hit, they come right back with something where you are or where they thought you were. So by doing this, he's getting himself in good position. And as he does that, he's gonna do a switch kick to the body. Next up, throws his 3, stepping to the right, throws his rear kick. Other way he can throw this 3 is when he throws his 3, he's going to step to the left, and then he's going to throw the rear kick. Boom. One more time. He gets back in front of me. 3, pop, rear kick. It's very important. Next up, 1-1, rear, boom. He's going to throw 1-1, rear body kick, making sure that as he throws his 1-1, he's constantly traveling to the outside. All right? You never want to throw these engaging punches where I'm just going forward by going in a straight line. That's how you're going to eat something coming in. So make sure you go off the center line as you do it. Boom. Woo! That's some spice on it. He's a little angry at me. I don't know. So 1-1. Rear, boom. It's going to be 1-2-5. 1-2 to the head. 5 to the body. Rear low kick. So he's going to go slow. 1-2-5. Rear low kick. All right. Let's reset. 1-2-5. Pop, pop, pop. Good. One more time. Pop, pop, pop. Good.
You see my Black Panther shirt?
I know you do. I know you do.
What you said? You want one? For real, big homie? I don't remember where I got this. But you know what you can get?
Some X-Marshall drip.
What is X-Marshall? Stop playing with me, boy. I know you like the Goku drip with your head ass. And for my ladies, I want to rep your spicy page. I also want to let them know you ain't sweet boy. Shaking ass and snapping necks. Or whatever Scissor said.
Just go to xmarshall.com and use code BLURREDMON1051 and get 30% off your total purchase. Get gear that's not only stylish, but quality. Same if not better material than the big brands for a fraction of the cost.
Who knows? Maybe he'll even get some play at the next Naga tournament. Because we all know you won't get no gold.
The next one is going to be 1-2 to the head and inside low kick. So it's going to look like this. 1-2, inside low kick. Ooh, you really putting some pep on him, huh? Whoop his ass later. So 1-2, pop, pop, boom. Make sure that when you do these, the 1-2s, you're covering some type of distance in, not just out. So when Micah does his 1-2, slowly he's going to go 1. Notice how he steps. He's stepping diagonally. 2. And he's covering distance so that when he gets that inside low kick, that angle is right there. Yeah, just to take the leg out. So again, pop, pop. Good. Final one. 3, 2, pop, pop. Going to be 3, 2, head kick. Switch head kick. Boom. When you throw that head kick, look at your opponent the entire time. Get up on the very balls, the tippy tops of your feet. Make sure your body's going up. When you throw that head kick, you shouldn't be leaning so far this way. Try to get up on the balls of your feet, nice and high. So, Thank you, Micah, for doing this tutorial when you fucked up a bunch. I'm Coach Anthony of More Than Human Fitness. Next week, we're going to come back with some self-defense things that I think y'all are really going to enjoy. I've been having a couple people ask about what they can do to help them on the street to keep them safe. If you like today's video, subscribe to the channel. Every subscription, every like matters. It lets the algorithm know that we're doing something good here. Be together, pay your respects. Spike crap. Y'all be easy, chuckle fucks.
This is where you gotta push past your limits. If you don't, then your path ends here.